Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix screen flickering issue on your Windows. So if you encounter the screen flickering issue in your Windows 10 or 11, then let's go quick into the process. First is we need to make sure that our Windows operating system is up to date because once this is updated, we can rarely face an issue with it. So click on the start button and then you have to click on settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to click on Windows Update. And here we just need to simply click this from here. So this will check for all the updates on our Windows and also download and install. So you just need to make sure that your Windows is up to date. Once done, close this. Next method is we can also roll back the graphics card driver. So how can we do that? Simply make a right click at the start button and then you have to select device manager in the list of options. Now here in the device manager window, we need to simply look for display adapters and here you will find your graphics card driver. So once you find your graphics card driver, make a right click then you have to select properties. Here you'll find the driver tab, click on that. And here you have the option rollback driver. So if you can click on the option rollback the driver, then simply click on that. And you just need to follow the instructions to roll back the graphics card driver. The next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. This time we are going to update our graphics card driver. So here in the device manager window, you need to locate display adapters. Again, this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now simply make a right click, select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this and close this window. Then you have to restart after that. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar. Or you can directly click on the start button, but let's try with this. Type settings. Click on that or click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, we have to look for accessibility. Here we can find visual effects. And here we can find animation effects. So make sure that you have turned off this animation effects. If this is enabled on your Windows, then you just have to simply turn that off. Now once this is done, close this. And then again, you just need to restart your Windows. So if any of those solutions mentioned helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.